Want to speak any language fast? Use Perplexity AI to practice speaking, step by step. Step 1. Type, translate "where's the train station" into Spanish with phonetics. Perplexity replies, "¿Dónde está la estación?" Phonetic, "¿Dónde está la estación?" Step 2. Request pronunciation tips and mouth shape guidance. Prompt, explain stress and mouth shape for estación. Step 3. Role play. Prompt, act as a friendly local, let's practice asking for directions. Speak and repeat. Record a quick before clip, listen to native audio, then mimic the pronunciation. Before, student attempt, ¿Dónde está? Rough vowels and misplaced stress. Perplexity feedback, emphasize the second syllable. Say "¿Dónde está?" sign slowly, then at normal speed. Repeat with Perplexity, slow, then steady. Record short clips and compare waveforms after each take. After practice, student says "¿Dónde está la estación?" Clearer vowels, correct stress, natural rhythm. Use on-screen captions and pronunciation highlights, color syllables, uppercase stress, and show mouth diagrams for tricky sounds. Ready to speak? Try Perplexity today to start speaking any language. Subscribe for more language hacks.